Afternoon to my all my viewers. Let us start the trigonometry, that is compound angle, multiple angle of class 11 ISC board. Exercise 10.2 from the book ML Agarwal. Question number 1, it is giving: convert the following product into sums or difference. Convert the following product into sums or difference. Here is the question given: 2 sin 3 theta, 2 sin 3 theta into cos 2 theta. Means you have to apply here formula 2 sin A. This is nothing but A. This is 2A. That means 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B formula is, you have to write the formula first of all. Since 2 sin A cos B, the formula is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. You have to memorize the formula here, so it will be more easier to solve this problem. Okay. 2 sin A cos B formula is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. By using this formula, this will be like this: that 2 sin 3 theta into cos 2 theta, it will be sin A means here 3 theta plus B means 2 theta plus sin 3 theta minus 2 theta. You take as 3 theta as A and 2 theta as B. 2 sin A cos B, the formula is sin A plus B. A plus means 3 theta plus 2 theta plus sin A minus B. A means here 3 theta, B means here 2 theta. Finally, how much we are getting? That is sin 5 theta plus sin theta. This is the answer of number 1 first part. Second question, number 1 second part. Second part question given 2 cos 3 theta into sin 2 theta. Okay. Same formula to apply. 2 cos A sin B. Here A means here 3 theta. Let 3 theta is equal to A, 2 theta is equal to B. This will be 2 cos A sin B. 2 cos A sin B. The formula is sin A plus B minus sin A minus. Okay. How much it will be? 2 sin A means here 3 theta plus B means here 2 theta minus sin 3 theta minus 2 theta. This is coming sin 5 theta minus sin theta. This is the answer of number 1 second part. Let us go third part. Next third part question given 2 sin 4 theta into sin 2 theta. Let 4 theta be A and 2 theta be B. Then this will be 2 sin A into sin B. What is the formula for 2 sin A sin B? That is cos A minus B. That means cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Okay. You have to memorize the formula. That means this is cos A means here 4 theta minus 2 theta minus cos 4 theta plus 2 theta. So what is the result here? This is coming cos 2 theta minus cos 6 theta. In this way, third part also completed. Let us go to the fourth part. This is the last part today. 2 cos 7 theta into cos 3 theta given. Let 7 theta be A and 3 theta be B. Now put here, this will be converted to 2 cos A into cos B. Both are cos given here. 2 cos A cos B formula is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Cos A plus B plus cos, because cos A plus B formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Here cos A cos B plus sin A, it will be cancelled. Cos A plus B Finally, how much you are getting? Cos is the last question for today. Cos of tan theta plus cos 4 theta. That means question giving 2 cos 7 theta into cos 3 theta equal to coming cos tan theta plus cos 4 theta. This is the answer of 4th part. In this way, 4 questions completed from the chapter trigonometry, compound angle, conversion formula related. Okay. Thank you for today's class. Next day do more sums.